So Startower has actually made the major announcement, and they have moved from testnet to mainnet, and this simply means that the listing and TGE is already around the corner, and there are certain things that you need to do right now concerning this project, which I'm going to be mentioning to you right now. So they are actually celebrating this with $500,000, and there are certain criteria that you say right here that you need to meet up with before you can be able to share from this $500,000 meant for this celebration. All right, for migrating from testnet to mainnet. All right, so there is a certain things that you need to do right here. You need to add the network to your wallet, and also you can see the KYC verification countdown begins. And right now they went ahead to say that completing our listing plan for this month, achieving a new milestone. KYC note: you will need your Startower wallet address during KYC. Add the Startower network to your wallet now. All right, so right now let's start by adding this Startower network to our wallet. After that, guys, then we are going to be talking about how you can be able to share from this $500,000 that they are using to celebrate their migration from testnet to mainnet. All right, so welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I help you with a lot of crypto education. I introduce Airdrop that's going to be paying you $50 and above, and I keep you updated regularly on all things crypto to make sure that you are succeeding right here on this crypto space. So use the link right there on the video description box to join our Telegram, and do not forget to like this video you are watching right now, and also subscribe to our channel. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers. All right, so right now, guys, let's continue with the video. Like they said right here, we need to add this network to our wallet so that we can be able to use our wallet address during the KYC. All right, so right now, guys, you need to open up your MetaMask wallet. Okay, I'm using my MetaMask wallet, so you need to open up your MetaMask wallet like this. And once you have opened your MetaMask wallet, you need to simply click right here. Okay, you click right here on this button right here. Then you need to scroll down until you see add a custom network. You click on it. You can see to be able to add a custom network, you need to input the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, symbol, and of course block explorer URL. So right now, guys, you can see these are the details right now. You can see this is the network name, Startower chain. You can see the ID right here. You can see the RPC, and of course the token symbol and block explorer. So immediately I'll be copying all this and I'll be adding all of them to my MetaMask right now. And right now on my MetaMask, I have just added everything right here. You can see how I set it up, but don't worry, I'll be leaving the details right there on the video description as well. So right now I will go ahead and click on save, and once I click on save right now, this network is going to be added automatically to my wallet. So right now, what do I need to do? What I need to do right now is simply click on this again. Then I'm gonna have to search for the network that I just added right now. Okay, I have to search for the network, and this is it right here, Startower chain. I will click on it, and once you click on it right now, you are now going to be switching to the Startower network. You can see over here, guys, I have 0 Startower right here. Okay, so this is it, what I have right here. So right now we have successfully added it to our wallet. So right now let's go ahead and talk about how to participate on this $500 Startower airdrop. All right, so over here they said that for you to be able to join this, you need to add the Startower chain network, which is what I just did right now. Then you need to create your wallet, which is what we have done already. Then over here, guys, you are required to actually quote this tweet plus comment with your Startower chain wallet address for a chance to receive the airdrop. All right, so everything right here is very simple. Let's go ahead and read this up before we go ahead and complete this. So over here, note this airdrop distribution this airdrop distributes real digital assets, not forex and security. And they also say, note, security alert, never share private key or this. Well, we already know this, right? So right now we are required to quote tweet this tweet and also comment our Startower wallet address below. Okay, so right now, guys, to be able to do that, you need to scroll down right here. Okay, you need to scroll down right here, then you click on this button right here. Okay, this is it. Once you click on this button right now, you can see we have repost and quotes. We are actually talking about quotes, so you click on it right now, and this is what we're going to be having right here. you can decide to go ahead and just could tweet it directly, or you can go ahead and add something like hashtag Startower. Okay, hashtag Startower mainnet. Okay, Startower mainnet is live, something like this. You can just go ahead and add something like this, though it is totally optional. Then you click on repost. That is how you successfully, could tweet it. Then the second thing is for us to comment our Startower wallet address. So right now I will go back to my MetaMask right now, and over here on my MetaMask I need to copy my wallet address. I will click on it right now. Then I have to click on receive, and once I click on receive right now, okay, this is our wallet address. I have to I have to click on copy address. I've now copied it, so I need to head back right here and then paste. And right now I need to go ahead and just paste my wallet address right then, and I will click on reply. And right now immediately I have just sent my wallet address to be among the comment section. So when they are going to be distributing this $500,000, then we now stand a chance of earning from it. All right, so that is how simple it is, guys. So remember, all the link is going to be right there on the video description box, and do not forget to join our Telegram, and do not forget to like this video you just watched right now and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So more updates is going to be dropping, and I'll be updating you guys regularly. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video that is going to be dropping very soon.